share to all of you how I'm going to make my own version of to all of you. Good morning. So for today, another vlog that I want to share to all of you. So welcome to our channel. So I hope you everyone have a nice day. As usual, I always say. And so pasensya na po, maingay po dito sa bahay, but I'm trying to speak louder so all of you can understand. So before I start my vlog, I would like to share something, a very short story about who I am, where I grow up, because it is related for this something that I want to share to all of you. It's just short story, okay? So, my name is Myra, and then I live in far away in the city. Very different the place where I'm living right now. I grew up there since I was born, 17 years ago, and because of that, I learned a lot. I grew up in Bicol, in Albay. It's far away. It's not in Albay because after the city of Albay, I need to travel 1 hour and a half until I reach to the jungle. I live in the mountain, a lot of animals, a lot of cows, and pigs, and carabaos, and of course the life there is very different. No electricity, no TV, no gadgets, no anything. Only special for us, important for us, we are healthy and we have food daily. We need to eat something. So the special in the place where I grow up is all the food we eat is very fresh and very interesting, and it is very weird that you can imagine that I eat, and because of that, look, I grow up. And for those who wonder, for today I'm going to share to all of you what's the importance of the peel of banana, because for me, for us who live in a simple life, that is not a garbage, that is a food, that is a delicious food. And I'm going to share to all of you the interesting way how I'm going to make it. So, one day you can try it also. Don't be afraid. It is delicious. It is safe to eat. And then, I would like to share something to all of you. A very, very different. Why? Because if you love banana, so of course, do you know the peel of banana or banana skin, right? And then, that's what I'm going to prepare today. The banana peel, I'm going to make it special and interesting. But disclaimer, this is my own way, this is my own version. So, for some people, the banana peel, they just like throw it and it's just like a garbage. But for me, I want to create it something that is not a waste. So for today, let's join with me and we are going to make the banana peel look like a spring roll. So banana peel spring roll. So if you are interested, and then stay tuned and happy watching. So this is our banana peel. Everything ingredient is ready. So join with me and let's go! So, kumusta po kayong lahat? Ito po ang lahat ng ingredients natin. Magluluto po ako ngayon ng ito, balat ng saging nasaba. So, ganyan po talaga hitsura niya. Nahugasan ko na. Ayan. Tapos, papakuluan natin siya mamaya. So, ito po ang lahat ng ingredients. So, of course, yung balat ng saging nasaba. And then, yung lumpia wrapper or spring roll. And then, of course, the chicken breading, rosemary, black pepper and salt, and of course the chicken sausage, red and green chili, calamansi juice, of course ginger and garlic and onion. And after that, of course 2 eggs, flour, oyster sauce, water, and of course oil. So that's it. this is how it looks like, the banana peel spring roll. My creation! So, everyone, that's it for now, my vlog. So, nakita nyo na kung ano yung ginawa natin ngayon, and I hope nagustuhan ninyo. So if you think you like my vlog, please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell notification para ma-update ka po sa upcoming vlog ko soon. So sana nagustuhan ninyo, and you can try it also by your own, and let me know kung nagustuhan mo nga ba or hindi. So yeah, see you on my next vlog, and hi everyone! So now let's testing time. I'm going to try this banana peel spring roll para naman maniwala kayo na talagang totoo itong kinakain. So, ito na. Very crunchy, golden brown, crispy. Ayan, kita nyo ba? Ang init pa. So, I have soy sauce. Kain po.